Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine Dogecoin on your computer. So in this purpose I will show you step by step of mining Dogecoin on your computer. In here, before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon while we upload a new video. You should be the first person to get the notification. Here, before getting to the process, navigate to IntoCrypto. Here is the Bitcoin mining, and here is how to download and install Trust Wallet on your Windows PC. And for mining Dogecoin on your computer, you need a miner, and the next one is you need a Dogecoin wallet. So in here I will open the unmineable website, and here you can see that unmineable is the website or the miner tool which you can mine Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency with this tool. So the unmineable is mineable is a pool between your wallet and your miner software. So in here I will click on the download option. Before that I will minimize that, and here you can see that I've already created a a folder for the Dogecoin. So in this purpose I will click on the Windows security, and once this window open, click on the virus and threat protection. Here again scroll down, click on the manage settings. Now you can see add or remove exclusion. Click on that and click yes. Now click on add an exclusion, select folder. Now select the Dogecoin folder which you have created on your desktop. So select folder, and you can see that Dogecoin folder is successfully added to this portion. So I will close the Windows security, and again we'll open the unmineable. Here right click on this download button and click save link as. Now select the desktop and select the Dogecoin folder and click save. Now you can see unmineable miners successfully start downloading. So wait for the process. The unmineable miner file size is 49 MB. As you can see that unmineable miner successfully downloaded. So minimize your browser. Now navigate to Dogecoin folder. Here you can see that unmineable miner is available in the folder. So right click on that and extract the file. The unmineable miner successfully extracted, so double click or right click on the unmineable and open the unmineable miner software. Here is the unmineable, the fastest and easiest ways to start mining your favorite non-mineable and some mineable coins. So click on the continue option. Here you can see one of the best method that the unmineable miners having. Select your mining hardware. There is two category like graphic cards, GPU and CPU. So you can mine coins that are available in the unmineable. So you can mine that with the GPU and CPU. Here is use your CPU random X algorithm for mining if you don't have a dedicated GPU available or it doesn't meet the minimum requirements. Here so I will select CPU, and it depends on you whether you want to mine the Dogecoin with GPU or CPU. So I will select CPU and click on the next option. Here is the select a coin or token. So I will select Dogecoin, and here you can see that enter your address. So for this purpose you need to download or install the Trust Wallet on your Windows PC, and the next you can use any exchange wallet or wallets for using the Dogecoin wallet address. So in here I will mention the link in the below down description. Here is how to download and install Trust Wallet on Windows 11 and how to create Trust Wallet account on Windows 11 PC. So you can use this video to install your Trust Wallet on Windows PC. So I've already done that, so I will open the Trust Wallet. Here is you can see that Trust Wallet is available, so I will open that. Here is the Dogecoin. Simply I will click on that and click on the receive option and copy the Dogecoin address. So here you have to enter the Dogecoin address, and you can see that start option is now available. So click on that. Wait for a moment until it should start mining and give you the hash rate. So the next thing that you have to do is click on the advanced setting and select your mining intensity. I will select the high option, and here you can see set a custom worker name and or set a referral code. So I will click on that and select save a restart. In the main window you can see last 24-hour reward and total paid is 0. You can see that lost payment is now and payouts from 13 Doge. And you can see that the current hash rate is this much. You can see that it starts giving me hash rate, and it's currently mining Dogecoin on Windows PC with the CPU. So for the checking the stats of the mining, click on the stats option. So here as you can see there are categories: workers, payouts, payments, referral code, and stats. You have no worker online, so here is you can mine different algorithms at the same time with a different worker name. So click on the payments option. If you have no payouts yet, you can share your referral code with your friends in order to earn reward. And the stats is mining balance, referral balance, total balance, past 24 hours rewards, total paid, lost payment date, payment threshold, current mining fee. So here is you can see auto pay every 4 hours starting at UTC whenever the balance is over 30 Doge. So I will click that. So I will enable the box of that, and here is the whenever you earned or you mined 30 Dogecoin, so you can make the payment to your wallet. Here as you can see that the current hash rate is 750. So this is the process that you can mine Dogecoin easily on your computer with CPU and GPU. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, don't forget to like the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. At last, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon while we upload a new video. You should be the first person to get the notification. Keep supporting us to provide you more interesting videos about cryptocurrency on this channel.